Okay, now today this video is going to talk about the corrections of 1.2. Again, so you must fill in the keywords for what you have learned in this section. And the first part will be sentence writing. So you must use imperatives to talk about what is the problem the students show in the pictures while later. So you just copy from the rules of the so don't run and play. So they're going to have parties, so I assume they are going to play in laboratory. So number and B, so don't eat or drink in laboratory. So, and finally, okay, don't enter laboratory without teacher's permission. I think it's spelled wrongly, permission. So I think it's not a difficult task. And you will have the sentence writing. You're going to talk about the functions of something, okay, is to, okay, and here we got the function, okay, so the purpose or the functions of, or the use of something. So when we talk about spatula, we will say the function of spatula is to, so you will see I underline the words. This is the first noun, this is the second noun. Function of spatula. So finally, what is the function? Is to transfer small amount of solid. Only solid. Spatula can only transfer solid. Okay, and measuring cylinder. For measuring cylinder, so the function of measuring cylinder is to measure the volume of liquid. So some of you say is to measure liquid. Remember, for liquid, there is many things you can measure: the height, the width, the shape, the weight. So you must tell me clearly what kind of parameters is measuring by measuring cylinder. Okay, so fill in the blanks. So we should wear safety goggles. The liquid inside an eye wash bottle is distilled water. A dropper. Oops, sorry. A dropper is an apparatus used to transfer small amounts of liquids. To heat a beaker of a solution, we should place it on a wire gauge and tripod, which are over a Bunsen, should be capital, Bunsen burner. Okay, so this part I've talked about it in the lessons, so you may refer to the diagram to draw it. I give you some time, or you can stop the videos. Okay, so how about the last one? Use a Bunsen burner to heat a beaker which is half filled with water. So I think you also do it, but I still want to show you how to draw it properly. Okay, line is not straight enough, so the wire gauge would be at the bottom of the beaker, and we will also have the tripod and the heat-proof mat, and finally we have the Bunsen burner that releases the heat from the bottom to the top, and this water should be half filled. Okay, and you have to have your label. So beaker, the water, wire gauge, tripod, heat-proof mat. So this is how you can draw your setup. And downstairs we have multiple choice questions. So gas tape, yes. First aid box, yes. Fire extinguisher, yes. So the answer is D. So for number 2, when we use a chemical with toxic warning label, so what we should not do, okay? Taste, of course not. Wearing gloves when handling that chemical, we should wear. So yeah, we should. This is correct. So smell the chemical directly. You mean直接地哦. So are you sure? No, of course, this is wrong. So what we should not do should be 1 and 3. So the answer will be B. What is the use of this apparatus? This is a reagent bottle. So this reagent bottle can use to store a liquid. So the answer is B. And next page, short question. So what is the problem? Shows in this diagram about lab safety. This lady is actually wears safety goggles. It's good, but how about his hair? When we're using Bunsen burner, it will catch fire, right? So the mistake one will be she didn't tie up her hair. So she should tie it up. So mistake 2 is when you're heating a beaker or a test tube or a boiling tube, you should not use your bare hand. She should not use her hand to hold test tube under heating. So what should she use? She should use a test tube holder. When heating a test tube. Okay, finally, what kind of hazard warning label should put in the following chemicals? So alcohol is 酒精, so it should be flammable. Concentrated acid, this is 濃酸, so it should be corrosive. So LPG bubble, that should be explosive and flammable. And recticide, what is recticide? Is the drugs, that's the medicine that kill mouse. So 殺鼠藥, 老鼠藥. So that should be toxic. So that's all for today. So thanks for watching.